How to log in into Chase Freedom credit card account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. Open up a browser that you prefer and search for Chase Freedom Login. Select the option of online payment credit card chase.com. Now when you tap on it, it will redirect you to an official homepage of your Chase. To log in into your account, just enter your username and your password. Tap on Remember Me if you are using your personal device, then hit on Sign In. However, if you have forgotten any of your credentials, that is your username or password, select Forgot Username or Password. It will redirect you to a new page. Beginning with to confirm your identity, enter your social security number or your tax ID. Then select your account or card application number. Then just go ahead and tap on Next. You need to follow some of the steps to verify that it is really you. Once you have recovered your account, you will just have to enter your new credential linked to your account. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.